MACD is the most essential and fundamental indicator for those who want to be successful in trading. However, few are aware of its secret features and comprehend the actual gist of it. I'm going to explain it to you now. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make money with the MACD indicator in just 8 minutes. So if you want to increase your deposit the easiest way possible today, make sure to watch this video until the end. So first things first, we're heading to the PocketOption platform. The link is in the pinned comment below this video and signing up. Then we're switching the linear chart type to candles. That's very important. We're setting the time frame to M1 along with the deal's expiration time, M1 just as well. Now we gotta add the indicator. In the top left corner, we're clicking the MACD indicator, and now let's set it real quick. In the style section, we're getting rid of the histogram and making both the MACD and the signal lines a bit bolder so that they're as visually noticeable as possible. My dear friends, let's finally get to trading. We're soon to place the first deal as we're waiting for the intersection on the indicator. The candle is done forming, we're getting a signal downwards and placing a downward trade. Let's talk about MACD and figure out some things. The indicator constitutes of two lines, the red one and the green one. Such intersections of the two lines are exactly what our signals are. If the green line crosses the red one upwards, just like in this case, it's a signal to buy. And as we can see, the market immediately starts rising as soon as the signal appears. That means the opposite signal or an intersection built in the opposite way confirms a downward tendency on the market. Thereby, our first deal get us profit. So the next candle closes in a downward position, making it red, very accurately according to our predicted scenario. So we've got plus 92% to our deposit today. I'm a bit trading very risky, but I strongly recommend you to take risk management into account. So guys, we've just placed the second trade. This time the deal is upwards as we got the kind of a signal when the green line crosses the red one upwards and fixates above the ladder. This kind of an intersection confirms a presence of an uptrend in the chart, so we're waiting for the expected growth to begin, or at least for the next candle to close in a rising position ending up green. There was a lot of obscure intersections here though. I'd normally not recommend to trade in such cases, as working with sci-fi motions isn't that likely to get you consistently great results. Our goal is to capture the trend change from rising into falling, or vice versa, from downtrend into an uptrend. It's really easy to spot. We can notice such waveish motions on the market, and the intersections are pretty clear and certain. That's when you should make deals. So make sure to never ever trade during these sideways motion periods on the market or a so-called flat. So guys, we're switching to this currency pair. Let's place an upward trade here since we've just recently received a signal to buy. I'd like to give you a very important advice and share my trading experience with y'all. Before placing a trade within a certain asset, pay attention to the way previous signals worked out in the chart. For instance, we can take a look at this signal to buy and see it worked out very well, as well as the next signal to sell right here. It went to plan incredibly by the book. So now I'm waiting for a similar kind of the outcome and hoping for the deal to succeed. So the upward tendency has kept going strong and stable, so we've got another profit. Wonderful. So my dear friends, are we ready for one more upward deal? We're waiting for the last candle to form and placing a trade upwards as soon as a new one appears. The signal is pretty simple. We're facing an intersection of the green and red lines. The green one, meanwhile, is already above the red one. If we take a look at the signal, at the very least, it works out really confidently, which indeed gives us hope for the next one that confirms another trend change to succeed just as well. 20 seconds are left. Let's just observe and wait for the result. So guys, we're really lucky today. All of the signals have proved themselves fabulously and gone to plan, which led us to increase our initial deposit 13 times, while of course trading the stairs away, taking pretty high risks. From $100 to almost 1,400. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I'm wishing everyone a lucky trade in time. Make sure to apply freshly gained knowledge and practice, because that's the only way you will make money. Bye bye.